This is Ground Up Guru, and we just started doing the steps again here. Like you can see, I have created a website for my work where I'll give this to client, so the client will think we are professionals, and yeah, we are actually not less than professional or something, but not so much beginner also. But yeah, uh, like the our first impression will go to the client very more better. Here is the website. Oh no, sorry. Here is the website where we have made these stuffs. Like this is the website where we show the stuff. Here is my uh, this video edited stuff and all. So we are selling this. Look at this guy. Isn't it funny? It's so good. Like playing with him feels so good. And look at this. If I go to the plan, if I go to another plan, bro is becoming more happy because if I go to another plan, look at his happiness. So yeah, this is what I made. Okay, if you want, this is made by Gemini. If you want, and the plan, he said deploy, so I said deploy. He said whenever we want to start, say deploy, and I said first he made like plan for $3,500, but our plan was about like $10,000 in 72 hours or in 6 days also. But for ChatGPT we said 72 hours, so we'll get the stops we like as fast as we will do. How fast, like how much we can do, we will try to do. Here he then made a brutal 10k 10k dollar 72 hours execution plan reloaded, and he made this plan. Look at this stuff. Mentality rule is so important. Like look at this. You're not sleeping more than 4 hours at night. 4 hours. You eat plus edit plus DM simulation simultaneously. Sorry, not simulation. DM I'm actually looking at the mobile screen, so yeah, there are some bothering stuff simultaneously. Okay. Then he said ki you don't hope, you follow up like a pit bull. And then it said ki you invoice within 2 minutes of saying yes. Don't say no to customer. Don't say no to custom work. Just charge double. Like yeah, we should not say anyone no. As you say. So yeah, he made a plan and he gave it to me and told me what to do, everything. So yeah, starting working, we have a website which is not even, he said, we made by ourselves to impress our clients. And yeah, he gave me like this much, like the steps how to make how to get the core strategy, stock office, and everything, like whatever. Yeah, so we are starting from now. And we'll send DMs. Let's see how this plan will work. How this plan will work, and we'll try to like do it in 3 days or 4 days. But since we have some other stuff also, I'm not actually a college student or something like that. I have my work also at home. I have to take care of home. So yeah, we'll try to do in 3 4 days, but if not possible we'll try to do 6 days or a week. Okay, we're starting it from today, and we'll start DMing to peoples. We have now everything like working to from yesterday only. We started like created these stuffs, and these stuffs also. Look at this, it looks so beautiful. And if I go outside, if I go outside, bro is crying. Bro is literally crying. Yeah. So yeah, stop playing. Okay. So we'll start to do work from now on, like the real work and going for client and cool DMs and all. We'll face this together. I'll show you how people like are, how to sell or something like that. We'll learn together and everything. So yeah, stay tuned with me and keep watching. I'll update you in the next video what is happening here. Okay, till then, bye bye.